Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bagel breakfast. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh bagels, your favorite cream cheese, and any toppings you desire. Think about smoked salmon, sliced avocado, or even fresh berries for a sweet touch. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth and enjoyable preparation process. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to prepare the bagel itself. Carefully slice your bagel horizontally into 2 equal halves. Next, place these halves into a toaster or toaster oven. Toast them to your desired level of crispness. A beautiful light golden brown typically takes around 2 to 3 minutes. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. With your perfectly toasted bagel ready, it's time for the fun part, assembly. Spread a generous, even layer of your favorite cream cheese onto both halves. For a savory delight, add smoked salmon, a few capers, and some thinly sliced red onion. If you prefer something sweet, try fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Your delicious homemade bagel breakfast is now complete. Serve it right away to enjoy the fresh flavors and textures. This delightful meal pairs wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or a refreshing glass of orange juice. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different toppings and spreads to find your absolute favorite combination. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.